The 10 rules of meditation. The scientific meditation has 10 basic fundamental rules. Without them, it will be impossible to emancipate, to be free from the mortifying greeds of the mind. First rule: to be fully aware of the state of mind in which we are found before any thought arises. Second rule: psychoanalysis. To find, to inquire, to investigate the root, the origins of every thought, memory, affection, emotion, sentiment, resentment, etc., as they come to the mind. Third rule: to observe with serenity our own mind, to place full attention to every mental shape that shows up in the screen of the intellect. Fourth rule: to try to remember, to recall this feeling of contemplation moment to moment during the common course of daily life. Fifth rule: the intellect must assume a receptive psychological state, complete, whole, easy, deep. Sixth rule: there must exist continuous purpose on the meditation technique, tenacity, firmness, constance, willingness. Seventh rule: it is very nice, interesting to assist as much as possible to the halls of meditation, Gnostic Studies Center. Eighth rule: it's mandatory, urgent, necessary to become vigilant of our own minds during any agitated, revolting event, to stop if only for an instant to observe it. Ninth rule: it is very important, necessary to always practice with our eyes closed, so as to avoid any external perception. 10th rule: absolute relaxation of the body and the wise combination of sleepiness and meditation.
Gnosis.